Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to make the photos shuffle on the wallpaper on any iPhone. Now, if you want to make the photos shuffle on the wallpaper on your iPhone, for that, just open Settings, then tap on Wallpaper. After that, just tap on the plus icon on New Wallpaper. And from here, just select Photo Shuffle. Now, you can either select an album, and if you select an album, your iPhone will automatically shuffle the photos in the album as your wallpaper. Or you can select Choose Photos manually. Now, I will select Choose Photos manually. Now, from here, just select the photos which you want to shuffle in the wallpaper manually. Now, for an example, I will select these photos. After you select your photos, then tap on Done. Now, as you can see, these are the photos which we have selected. Now, if you want to automatically shuffle between the photos, just tap on the three dots over here. Now, you can either select daily and your iPhone will automatically shuffle the photos every day, or you can select hourly. And if you select hourly, it will shuffle the photos every hour, or you can select on tap or on lock. If you select on tap, you will shuffle between the photos as you tap on the lock screen. And if you select on lock, you will shuffle the photos every time you lock your iPhone. Now I will select on lock, then tap on add. Now if you want to shuffle the wallpaper on your home screen also, just select set as wallpaper pair, or you can select customize home screen if you want to only shuffle the wallpaper on the lock screen. I will select set as wallpaper pair, and after you do that, you will automatically shuffle between the photos as you lock your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can make photos shuffle on wallpaper on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.